The temperature is dropping. You can see the rain has been falling, and we are expecting some wet weather to turn into snow here in the days ahead, but that's not the story this morning.
No, the wind is the story this morning, and that's what's bringing in all of these changes. We knew this was coming, and we are prepared. We want to help you get prepared, so we have team coverage this morning. Let's start with meteorologist Terry DeBoer.
Well, we are indeed looking at those powerhouse winds this morning. In fact, our sky cam here looking out over downtown Grand Rapids is shaking just because of the intensity of the winds. You can notice that pavement is drying out on area roads, so that's definitely some good news. But this view from South Haven looking out over the pier definitely tells the story of the winds. We have a powerhouse cold front working through the area this morning, and as it arrived overnight, we did have those widespread showers, and even, yes, you weren't imagining things, some rumbles of thunder out there. We had some thunder showers work through West Michigan late last night into the early morning hours as well. You can notice the temperatures continue to drop off. 46 now in Lansing, 52 in Jackson, 40s across most areas. And look at this, Lansing, the temperature just a half hour ago was still above 50 degrees. So you'll notice those temperatures are going to be dropping. Readings in terms of the wind chills, you combine the temperatures this morning with those gusty winds. So we've got those feels like readings this morning in the low to mid 30s. So definitely bundle up the kids as they head out the door to the bus stop. Warm coats and gloves will be a good idea today as temperatures drop into the 30s. Those wind chills will drop down into the 20s. And speaking of wind, boy, Matt, it was really howling last night and continues to be very strong this morning.
Yeah, we think it's going to come in two waves. The first wave happened last night with a round of or a line of thunderstorms that moved through. And then once we start to see a little bit of daylight today, we're going to start mixing up the atmosphere a little bit more, and we'll see those winds pick up once again. Now, some of the wind last night already impressive. That's resulted in some power outages, especially around the Saugatuck area. Pentwater, 55-mile-an-hour wind, and Saugatuck close to 50 along with the Fremont area. Here's some of the bigger metropolitan areas. Holland at 46 miles an hour, Muskegon 44, both Battle Creek, Grand Rapids right around 40 miles an hour. And we'll likely exceed that this afternoon. One of the reasons why, well, this is what's bringing the big pattern change. Deep area of low pressure moving right across Lake Superior. It will continue to deepen. Right now, it's already down to 988 millibars. It's pretty impressive when average barometric pressure right around 1,013. Anyway, we have a wind advisory, not just here in southwest lower Michigan, but essentially all of lower Michigan, and it goes until 7 o'clock this evening. We're expecting wind gusts 40 to 50 miles an hour. Here's the sustained winds out there, pretty solid, right around 20 to 30 miles an hour. So these are some of the specifics. Again, wind gusts could produce some sporadic power outages. Now, if you have a high-profile vehicle, north-south roads, US 31, 131, M37, look out for that. And it looks like some beach erosion as well. Waves today around 10 to 14 feet, and you can see we're going to continue with this cold pattern. Teresa, Casey?
Yeah, all right, Matt. And of course, with those powerhouse winds, that means outages widespread across West Michigan this morning. We're keeping an eye on those for you. At last check, the Consumers Energy outage map, about 2,800 customers, 28,000 customers don't have power. Most of those on the west side of the state, as you can see from the map.
We're making calls to consumers, and the word from consumers so far is they don't know exactly when they'll have power back on, but they're saying it could be later tonight or possibly tomorrow. So that's something that we'll be working to narrow down for you. But the weather is also causing issues on the road, so we want to bring in Tom Hillen for that. Good morning.
Hey, good morning, Teresa and Casey. Yeah, we've already seen some major arteries that have been closed. They have reopened this morning, but this is really what we're dealing with. We're dealing with lots of trees down, power lines down, and that is also causing a lot of traffic light issues out there. So make sure that you are using a lot of caution as you start driving this morning, keeping in mind that you may be the first one using the road to come across a tree that may be down or a power line that is down again. So just be using as much caution as you can this morning. Give yourself definitely some extra time. The traffic lights, this is actually left over from yesterday. So things right now, we are not working with any major crashes out on area roads. So that is good news as we kick off our Tuesday morning. I'll be back in 15 minutes with another check of your traffic. Casey?
All right, Tom, and with this winter weather arriving, now's a great time to download the Storm Teammate weather app if you haven't already. You can stay up to date when that storm hits. You can even check the closings in your area if there are any.